like I've said severally, if you look at the video showing on your screen right now is the video for the export of baked goods, chin chin. Now, even though you are seeing other videos, but what I want to show you on this video is actually the chin chin, Now, and on that chin chin, you can see the label on the chin chin. You can see the packaging on the chin chin. I'm trying to say this to let you understand the fact that there's so many products can be exported. Chin chin will be categorized under what is called baked goods. Chin chin will be categorized under what is called baked goods. Chin chin will be categorized under what is called baked goods. Now, what are the examples of baked goods in international trade? What are the examples? What are the type or the form of baked goods that you get to see in international trade? There are different examples of baked goods that you see in international trade. They are baked goods because they are made of flours. They are baked goods because they are made of flour. Look at some of the examples of baked goods. For example, bread is a baked goods. Bread and bread-related product. Cake, sponge cake, fruit cake, cheesecake, pound cake, cupcake, they are all baked goods. Pastries, chin chin, puff pastries, Danish pastries, croissant, cookies, chocolate cookies, shortbread, digestive biscuits, pie and tie, apple pie, fruit tart, custard tart, savory baked good, pizza, cracker, cornbread. They are all baked goods and they are all made from flour. Baked goods are food products made from dough or batter that are cooked during using dry heat, typically in an oven. They involve a variety of items, like I've mentioned, and a good example is chin chin. Now, what might interest you is that this chin chin you are seeing, the global demand for baked goods in the world is about $55 billion. So it's baked goods, but the global demand is about $55 billion. What does that tell you about baked goods? That tells you that baked good is a product with a huge market demand, and the largest buyer of this product is United States, followed by United Kingdom, followed by Germany, followed by France, followed by Canada. These are different countries that have a huge demand for this product called baked goods. It's baked good because it's baked. And I've given a lot of examples of it. But as you can see in this video, you can see the chin chin. You can see the plastic carton that is used to package it. You can see the tamper-proof, the red cover with tamper-proof on it. And you can see that it's put in a strapped packaging material. I'm basically showing you about the fact that there are so many products that you can export. And one of them is baked goods. And it's important you understand that you have different options of product you can export out of Nigeria. So you don't lock yourself up to few products that you have known and that you are used to. Thank you very much. See you in another video. And I've shown you in this series of videos, different products that I have exported because I'm a practical exporter. When I come to talk to you here about export, I basically come to show you what I export. And the reason I'm doing that is to let you understand export is practical and it is what we do, and the fact that we can assist you through our export mentoring program to be able to export your product out of Nigeria to different parts of the world. With our mentoring program, we do capacity building and we work with our client to be able to find buyers, to be able to do their documentation, to be able to ensure the quality is right and do the shipment into the export market. So if you are thinking of exporting your product abroad, consider our export mentoring and capacity building program called from export novice to export legend. The detail of how you can reach us will be shown on your screen, and that will help you to be able to contact us and get to learn more about the export novice to export legend program. Thank you very much. See you in the next video, and bye for now.